Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, Paula Llewyn, says her office is prepared to formally request that, notwithstanding the gun charge laid against former MP for Western St. Mary, Julian Silvera, the matter should be heard in open court. Gun offences tried under the Gun Court Act are usually heard in private. The matter of public access to the Silvera case came to the forefront last Thursday after the media was barred from covering the hearing. The judiciary has since clarified that the decision was taken as one of the counts on the indictment saw Silvera being charged under the Gun Court Act. That revelation raised the spectre of whether the entire trial would be held in private. The DPP says her office is prepared to challenge that possibility. My viewers and subscribers, let we talk about this because you see how much effort remember them say in charge, with gun. All right, put it like that. So obviously what the judge is doing everything within the law. She not break the law. So remember it say gun offences tried under the Gun Court Act are usually heard in private. So DPP now when she come out and push out effort, because the reason why I bring up this me I talk my mind, I'm not care all one vex. Them a go on like say look on Donnelly case. Wasn't Donnelly a human? Just like Miss Silvera. Wasn't she? She never did somebody. Donnelly somebody like Miss Silvera. Donnelly was somebody, and it was somebody child, just like Miss Silvera. So how me not see the all of them effort here? The DPP not put in no effort. Them effort when Mr. Shah put in. How me not see them do it with Noel? The only thing we have is a picture with Noel. We never see Noel in a handcuff yet. We not even see Noel look. When everybody out, at least Silvera, them show Silvera. But Noel is a police officer. This man was a former MP, Noel and police officer. Look what Noel do. And all on keep quiet. And then when I use the media, talk about media come out. Media now come out and talk nothing. Because them are people here, they no protest about damn nothing. Nobody now come out and attack nothing. I don't see nobody a touch the road and a protest about it. And I keep up hell about it. No, the two lie. Actually, because no one disgrace the PNP. Yeah, in do. Them say. I do not know. This is what they say. You understand? Because this a man could never lose his mind for using gun and killing own wife and feel say never they're gonna be the first suspect. Like, come on, that don't make no sense to me. However, if him do the crime, him have to do him time. But the case, to be honest with you, me disagree with the whole case because me not believe say I saw it go. If you tell you the God Almighty truth, me I tell you my mind. I don't believe in it whatsoever. You see them a come up with. I don't believe this crap. However, saying that, the Noel case, look upon Noel. The way I say Una go out and a this and a that about this mania. Remember Donnelly a somebody pitney, just like Miss Silvera. And the way I say Una go on over this mania, who allow no hide Noel from the whole public. Because I know so the whole public was against I ignore we. Remember, so we come out and protest in a DPP. We come out and we protest Sure, uno will come out and protest and no look pan we, uno ignore we. Nobody, me not say nobody a come out for Miss Silvera. For be quite honest, me not say nobody a come out and I say nothing. But Miss Silvera come out and a protest and do nothing. So when you see them a do that and DPP a kill up herself, she's just a selfish person. She a labor right. And then because listen, you see all them say it go about Julian Silvera, must go so, must go so. You understand? This is just my opinion. I'm not saying what happened, but must have to go so. You understand? Must have to go so. So my thing is, the DPP, where the judge do wrong, the judge not do nothing wrong. The judge do everything. The judge do everything within the law. Shouldn't break the law. So when DPP want challenge the law, no, that's what I know. Say, he will allow no and go to somebody. Just like Juliet Oldness. When she in a parliament, so she like talk about the law, within the law. So let the judge do it within the law too. Me not have a problem, with what happen now. If, as me say, when a man do the crime, him have to do the time. But the way all me say, I put an effort into this. Me no say uno do that with Noel Maitland. So come like Noel Maitland have top secret for uno. Something in a something, my viewers and subscribers. Something in a something. You understand me? It make no sense. Look at Noel. Noel is just a police officer. I'm going to say none of them come out. Mama Sophie takes sick. They are hospital. One bag of something, one bag of stress. No, not even Andrew Oldness. Not talk about it. Nothing in it. Everybody ignore. All the public talk about it. Bloggers out talk about it. People are protest about it. They ignore we. DPP, she not say nothing about it. And the way Mr. Shah put the effort into this, as some me want you to put the same effort into Noel. So I hope on a Noel trial, we want to see it. We want to see it. We want to see it played out in front of we too. We want to see that. We don't go and like said Donnelly wasn't somebody's child. Donnelly not somebody picked it too, like Miss Silvera. Of course, Donnelly was. So how you want to put effort alone in a this money? I want him to know well. And then you know no transparent. This is why me a bun uno out. Cause uno not transparent, uno a liar. Uno only transparent to who uno want transparent for. That's why I said this is just for embarrass the PNP, for distraction. This is all a distraction. Me I tell you no. This is all a distraction. And this is my opinion. Me say, me not believe. I do not believe, because me want to know how can you take 2 months to realize that somebody will get gunshot wound. 2 months, you realize? Who even sure say how no know say and after that even happen? Who not even sure? You get me? So me not listen to these people, because they say the lady die in her sleep. Then 2 months later, when they claim say they do autopsy, they say gunshot wounds and all them something there. Hey, me not buy into this, Me not buy into this. Me I tell you no that. Me not buy into them foolishness here. Me I tell you no the God Almighty truth. Because if an fix barely come out and say him not do no cover up. Some since has no cover up. When I tell me say a mistake gonna make, I go and like gonna take people for idiot. But I know everybody can't fool. But you see, need to come. Yeah? Need to come transparent with Noel Maitland case too. Come transparent with Noel Maitland case too. Because uno is a set of hypocrite. Uno talk about transparent. All no, me not say no transparency. Because as me say, go on like say Donnelly and somebody pitney. So I make it look. And the effort when I see put in a Julian Silvera, as someone want to know if you do Noel too. Why uno not do that with Noel and uno so transparent? Uno not transparent. Uno lied. And uno can't be trusted. You understand? And then the people, uno need to wise up and analyze things. Uno don't look on things one way. Don't look on things one way. But uno must know still. Uno tell me what to think about it. Uno don't have to agree with me, I just talk my mind. Put uno honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. My viewers and subscribers who remember Nadine, a player other day from Crop Circle. I put out her video other day when she went for start up, start back her little cooking and them something there, and they mash up her stall. All right, well now, Nadine come out with a bag of things, attack, appear things that go on my viewers and subscribers. So I just take in the video here.
You are nearly one place 32 years. She now work. She now work. And she a 32-year-old. Because she said, I don't do nothing for her. I mean, her under one roof for 32 years. 32 years. She said, I don't give her nothing. Because she a pick side. She a pick side with the auntie who sell a ear circle. Through ear circle get fuck. She a pick side with she. Right? Because our lazy mentality, it not gonna work out again because the auntie, what did I also a gear to? A gear, me and she a gear. For the 32 years, but she X me out. You understand? So, she a pick side with the auntie. The auntie were there with the auntie, you know, who angle the husband bad, you know. The auntie angle the husband bad because she a married woman and she have fear man. She have fear man and fear man. Anytime the husband gone from out of era circle, fear man just come. Birthday party she just up and change clothes, like she carry clothes from the yard. And she just up and change clothes and spread table and she and fear man keep birthday party. Them time the husband I just him tailor go away and I know what I go on. Husband don't know all of that. And the whole of them will set up my picnic against me. And she don't smart. She don't smart. That a family. You have another one down the line when you munch was sell a ear circle. Them are all a ear circle people, me I tell you, you know. From crab circle, lockdown, you know. Me I tell you, you know, later come after, you know. Munch she, you know. Munch she, you know. You look like majority of the people in money Munchi. Me not blame every Munchi. Majority of the people in money Munchi. Are crosses and destruction them, you know. She about up my picnic too. She about up my picnic too, and she there with Llewyn, the married man. The married man who drive the red van will come at era circle. And his wife will come drink soup from her and the wife don't know. Munchi was sell at era circle. And your husband named Llewyn, him drive the red pickup. The wife will come drink soup. And she no know say she, but she can't drop anything I eat. Yes. Back to my sister now. Fear life is a mess. So she try to make the picnic them life is a mess. Can me say to my daughter, we live at the house with me 32 years. And she say, me never get her nothing yet. And girl not even know how to buy gas. Because the first time she buy the gas, the first time she buy a gas, she give her a big pan. Which is she just did live free. And since lately she did get work and she can't hold her work, just like how she can't hold her man. You understand me? Me, when me there with my man, when me younger than, listen me carefully, you know, when me there with my man young, we're younger than me. Right? What them say, me and mine. When me with my man, we younger than me. All of my children were over 21. They are adults. So I try to live my life. You understand? Live my life. And I live with, they around that guy. And he have a whole heap of jealous thing about him. He have a whole heap of jealous things. So maybe for that hurt them. You understand? Everybody I beat people when me there with when me start to live my life. Right? I live my life, because the last child was 22 years old. Me, I live my life, you know. Everybody I beat people. Me, I live my life. Because you know, everybody I go well if you know. Right? She just a follow back of my sister, follow back of my sister. Me got give a little history now. The next one now, where they are hero circle now, Marsha. She there with a youth, them Rico. Who living at the scheme. Right? Rico, that a Marsha would have been my cousin, where they are hero circle too, you know. Marsha fool on Rico. And when me look, me see Rico a lick Shemel pan her body, that a my daughter. I lick Shemel pan her body. And a squeegee come out at the house sometime. Me turn to her and say, Shemel, Marsha and Rico, that are your cousin, the two of them have a relationship. So be careful. Don't go there so. You understand? And me see it a go on. Because them not listen to me, because me is miss nobody. And me not have no sense. Right? Me not have no sense. Evelyn, people who have common sense. You have a child who say, you never give her nothing at all. Nothing at all. And living a...
My viewers and subscribers, to me see she a get fight left, right and center. She a get fight left, right and center. You understand me? And this is really a sad situation, because the woman come out and talk the truth. Them say the truth shall set you free, but Jaja, you set you free in one sense, but look, you make her life a living hell. And then you have the mayor, nah help, nobody nah help her. You understand me? And this is not nice. This is not nice. You understand? Them stop me on the right. The woman do the right thing. And more Nadine knows, and Nadine, you do the right thing. You understand? And God know you do the right thing. So all of them people you know, you hear what she say? She say, Marsha Munch, you see, bag a passa wa go on now. Everybody name and get called up. Who a take food man, who a come drink soup from them matey. You hear what go on. Everything bust out now. But you tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.